tutorial on how to make a graph using Microsoft Windows 7 Excel spreadsheet. Now I'm going to show you how to enter data for the Providence Canyon depth in feet over time. As you can see, I entered the years in the first column, which will later represent the x-axis, and then canyon depth in the second column, which will represent the y-axis in our graph. So I'm going to start back from 1820, and I'm going to go up to present time, 2013. And the numbers that I'm adding are coming from our reading earlier about Providence Canyon in Georgia. Okay, so once I enter my data, I'm going to highlight all of the data. Next, I'm going to hit at the top of the toolbar, I'm going to click Insert. I'm going to choose from a selection of charts and graphs, and I'm going to pick the scatter chart, which is also known as the XY chart, as you can see. Then you're going to see a series of chart types. I'm going to pick the one that says scatter with straight lines. See if I can get that to pop up again. And markers. Then you're going to see some chart layouts at the top. There's 3 choices. I believe if you click down there's more. But I'm going to go ahead and pick the first one to the left. I just like it because it's simple looking. But you could design this how you want to. The next step I'm going to go ahead and select a different color for my line, and just to show you that you can change the line color, I'm going to go ahead and pick red for this. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and title my graph. So I'm going to go ahead and hover over the chart title. I'm going to click it. And then I'm just going to type in my title. And I'm going to call mine Providence Canyon Soil Erosion Rates from 1850 to present. So I'm just going to call this years. And remember, time is always on the x-axis when you're dealing with independent and dependent variables. My next step is I'm going to go ahead and title my y-axis, which runs vertically. And I'm going to call this depth in feet. Okay, so that's our first graph, and I could go ahead and finish here and save it by clicking the Office button and hitting Save As. Okay, and then could choose where I want to save it. If I want to put in my documents, I could call it Providence Canyon Soil erosion rate graph. And now I want to thank you for watching my instructional video on how to make a graph using Microsoft Excel 2007.